So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HFCL share. So recently, when we discussed about this particular stock near the 78 rupees region, we have done the complete technical analysis, and also we have discussed what are the major updates that are running around the company. So since the past few sessions, we are seeing little bit of downfall in the stock, and it has approached the 73 rupees region with almost 5% downfall. So many people are having queries related to the technicals, so I'll try to clarify each and everything in detail, and tomorrow also I'm going to release two stocks that you can buy right now. So what are those two stocks also I'll discuss tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe the channel. So whatever the stocks are discussing are performing very well, so that you can also check, and many people have invested as well. So do join the Telegram. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so if we see the past 3 to 4 sessions, how the stock has performed. So first, if we see the delivery section, so nothing much we can observe because of only it is in NSE B category, we'll observe only 100%. But if you see the movement, you can see 2 days the stock, that is 4 days back, it has given some very good movement. But since the last 2 days, again, it has started correcting. So little bit weakness is still present. It is forming the lower lows and lower highs. So it needs a strong support and a base, so that it can also generate the reversal. So what is that particular zone also we'll try to understand. And the same way, if you have not watched the technicals earlier, also clearly I mentioned it should cross the 84-85 rupees region, because there we can expect a very good accumulation, but it could not sustain that particular region. So again, it was retracing from there. So again, the volumes need to increase. So we'll discuss all this. So let's go to technical charts. Okay, so now we are back on to the technical chart. So first we'll try to do the analysis on weekly chart time frame. So once you see the weekly chart clearly, you can see 2 weeks the stock has given continuous correction, but you also need to observe that whatever the uptrend the stock has generated, so that was continuous. So in between, maximum 1 week the stock has corrected, and rest of all weeks we have seen continuous movement. So that is obvious that whatever the correction we are seeing, so just it is giving an opportunity for few people who want to buy it, and in the same way who have taken at the high levels. So definitely you need to observe all the technicals so that you can also average. So now moving a little bit further, if you see the support that the stock is having is near the 70 rupees region. So that is going to be very important, because there the stock almost, we can see 2 weeks it has faced the resistance. That is 3 weeks back, I'm talking about 3 weeks back, the stock has faced resistance near the 70 rupees region. So that is going to be the next immediate support that we need to focus. And if we go a little bit down, and money flow, you can see it is not having any major fall, because nobody is willing to sell. Still it is in the overbought zone. Okay, so these are the two things that we can observe in weekly chart. So let's even switch to daily chart, and there also we'll try to do the analysis. Okay, so once we go to the daily chart time frame, so there you can see the stock after coming below the 79.22, which is a very crucial support. So we have seen the weakness. So now, as I told, the coming session 70 is going to be very important. So after that, we also have the 50-day exponential moving average, which is going to be very important. So one question arises, why the stock is correcting? So there are two major reasons. So first reason would be the quarter results were not that great as expected. So many people expected the quarter on quarter basis little profit would increase, but the stock showed year on year base increment, but it has failed, I can say, in minute numbers in quarter on quarter basis. So that is what has made the stock look little weak and consolidate for a certain period of time. And second major reason, it has given a continuous uptrend. So after entering into NSE B section, many stocks move in consolidated phase for a certain period of time. So after they come out, again they start accelerating. So only one thing is left. So since this stock has a very good future, especially in the 5G segment, so you can accumulate. So for long term, for swing trading, so right now it is not looking in that great position. So long term you may get a very good benefit. Okay, so in daily chart, as I told, 70. So after that we have 50-day exponential moving average. Resistance wise, it should cross the 80 rupees level with very good volume. So after that we have the all-time high. So these are the next immediate resistances. So money flow index in daily chart is around 67. It is not at all in overbought region and it is moving in a flat pattern. So neither much fluctuations are present because of the volatility, and the same way the volumes also need to increase. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.